Guys, welcome back on your YouTube channel. So as I had told you, next video I will shoot out of room. Now I am out of room and now I am here. You know which place in Udaipur this is the old city area, like it's called Ramgarh, nearby Ramgarh. There is bridge, there is two bridges. Oh, I forget something. He is Ashish bro. He is Ashish bro. Please introduce yourself bro.
I am Ashish and I have a YouTube channel, Perfect English with Vivek.
Yeah, guys, he is doing promotion in that channel. Okay, no problem. Okay, we
No, no.
continue. So continue. What are you doing?
If you
Where
are
do you live?
if you are learning English, so you can watch these videos because he is a kind person and he is making videos.
Oh,
eh,
he is appreciate me, guys.
twice in a week. So this is helpful for you.
If I ask you how
Yeah.
can we learn English, so what will you tell?
So
Or which type of suggest you will give me?
at first, if you want to learn English, so you subscribe his channel
Oh.
and
Don't forget.
you watch videos. You watch all videos on this channel and first of all you should start from your daily routine. Like what do you do every day?
But I don't have a knowledge. So how can I learn English?
Like everyone
I am from Hindi medium.
एवरीवन
So?
स्पीक इन हिंदी. लाइक मैं सोता हूँ, मैं उठता हूँ, मैं मंदिर जाता हूँ, मैं चाय पीता हूँ. सो यू कैन ट्रांसलेट इट इन सिंपल वे. इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू ट्रांसलेट दिस, सो यू गो टू गूगल एंड सर्च ऑन दिस. मैं चाय पीता हूँ, ट्रांसलेट इन इंग्लिश. सो यू गेट द
So
आंसर.
tell me, grammar is important or not for learning English, like
No.
speaking English? Because I want to speak English. I don't want to learn English. I want to speak English. That's why I'm asking to you. We have to read completely grammar or not?
At first we have to speak, like we have to speak normal sentences. Like मैं घर जाता हूँ, I go to home. So there is no.
But I don't have a knowledge. So how can I format that type of sentence? I go to home.
Yeah. So at first we have to listen in English. Like we watch many videos on YouTube. Like many people are talking in English. So it is beneficial for us. And
But I don't have a knowledge. So how I will understood that type of video? मुझे तो कुछ पता ही नहीं. मैं इंग्लिश समझूंगा कैसे उसकी वीडियो को यूँ डायरेक्ट
No.
वीडियो देखने से.
so मैं घर जाता हूँ.
Yeah.
We have one sentence we think in our mind and we put up this sentence in our daily routine. Like मैं चाय पीता हूँ. So मैं चाय पीता हूँ इसको अपन ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं. या मैं को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
हाँ.
You think in your mind and I think you are the people who studied in India. So he has this type of knowledge, this minimum knowledge. We can call मैं को इंग्लिश में आई बोलते हैं, गो को जाना बोलते हैं. इतना
It
तो
means
सब.
he want to say if we start from small things like this is singular and plural. What is singular? He, she, it, and what is plural? I, we, you, they. That we have to start from zero.
And
We want to telling that type of things.
या इफ़ यू आर बिगिनर, अगर आप स्टार्टिंग में इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो आपको एक सब्जेक्ट के साथ में बनाओ. लाइक आप क्या करते हो? मैं घर जाता हूँ, मैं खाना बनाता हूँ, मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ. तो एक सेंटेंस के साथ में आप कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ में सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब लेनी है बस. और उसके साथ में आप ऑब्जेक्ट अगर ऐड करो तो भी ठीक है, नहीं करो तो भी ठीक है. मैं घर जाता हूँ, आई गो टू होम. मैं जाता हूँ, आई गो. मैं आता हूँ, आई कम.
And how can I increase my vocab for the learning English?
So you should write your vocabulary like 5 vocab daily. So you will get lot
But
of
I
vocabularies.
decide that thing daily and I forget daily. daily forget I that type of things.
No, so you
It means I don't have a consistency. So what can I do at that
Yeah.
type for that type of things?
if you are doing any job, so you have to go daily. This is a consistency. and
Okay.
you now
Because
you are-
I have a pressure on me. That's why I go there.
no, so you get money from your job. So
Yeah.
if you are enjoying your English, if you are enjoying with your English, so you it will be natural. Like I should speak English, I have to speak English, so I have to collect the material like vocabulary, daily practice. This way you will get fluency.
Yeah. So thank you so much for giving that type of lots of advice. And guys, I will meet you in next vlog, and I will show you lots of things of Udaipur. Okay, bye, tada.